Vegas got hot and we got out, but we brought the cameras along for the ride.
This summer, we're searching for America's best golf car living communities. Not where golf cars are just for the course, where they're part of everyday life. From daily routines to nights out, from school drop-offs to grocery stops. The whole lifestyle. The people, the food, the homes, the businesses, the communities, all of it. Where should we go next? What community are we missing? What town is getting it right? This summer, we're chasing what's next, and we need you to help us find it.
If your town, neighborhood, business, or local scene is built around this lifestyle, we want to be a part of it.